word, do not carry coals.
No, for then we should be colliers.
I mean, as we will draw.
I, while you live, draw your neck out of the collar.
I strike quickly, being moved.
But thou art not quickly moved to strike.
And thou but thou shalt not move me.
To move is to stir, and to be violent is to stop. Therefore, thou art moved, thou art moved.
And thou but thou shalt not thou be supposed to stand. I will take the wall of any man or being. And
That shows a 3 weeks slave, for the weakest goes to the wall.
true. And therefore women being the weaker vessels. Therefore I will push Montague's men from the wall and thrust these maids to the wall.
The quarrel is between our masters and us, your men.
I will show myself a tyrant. When I have fought with the men, I will be cruel and I will cut the heads of the maids.
The heads of the maids,
Aye, the heads of the maids or the maiden heads.
they must take it in a sense that they feel it.